I like coffee.
2,
I don't like tea.
3,
I like beer.
4,
I don't like swimming.
5,
We like skiing.
6,
They like wine.
7,
We don't like football.
8,
You like ice cream.
9.
They don't like Chinese food.
Unit 5, Exercise 3.
1,
Do you like Coke?
Yes, I do. It's great. 2,
Do you like football?
No, I don't. It's terrible.
3, Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do. It's delicious.
4,
Do you like skiing?
Yes, I do. It's fantastic.
5,
Do you like James Bond films?
Yes, I do. They're exciting.
6, Do you like coffee?
No, I don't. It's awful.
Unit 5, Exercise 4. The best swimmer in the world. Michael Phelps has 14 Olympic gold medals. He describes his life. Home.
I come from Baltimore, Maryland, USA. My father is a police officer, and my mother is a teacher. My parents are divorced. I have 2 sisters, both older than me. I still live in Baltimore. I have my own apartment, but I speak to my mother on the phone every day.
Training.
I train for 6 hours a day, 6 days a week. I swim 10 miles, that's 16 kilometers, every day. I eat a lot of pasta, omelets, bread, cereal, sandwiches, cheese, pizza. In one day, I eat enough for 6 people. I drink coffee and special energy drinks.
Interests.
I like football. American football, of course. Music, hip-hop. Lil Wayne is my favorite. Playing video games and taking my dog, Herman, for a walk. I want to win 10 medals at the next Olympic Games.
Unit 5, Exercise 5.
1,
Where do you come from?
2,
What's your father's job?
3,
Where do you live?
4.
What do you eat?
Unit 5, Exercise 7. 1,
I don't eat a lot of meat, but I eat a lot of pasta.
2, I don't drink beer or wine. I don't drink any alcohol. 3,
I don't live with my family. I live in my own apartment.
4,
My parents don't live together. They're divorced, so they live on their own.
5,
My sisters don't swim. They do other sports, but not swimming.
Unit 5, Exercise 8.
Hi, Gracie. Can I ask you a few questions about your parents?
Of course, no problem.
Now, your parents live in Spain, don't they?
That's right. They have a house in Seville. They don't live in England anymore.
Oh, very nice. Do they speak Spanish?
They speak a little Spanish, yes.
Oh, interesting. And what do they do in Spain? Do they play golf? Do they go swimming?
They're both quite old now, so they don't do a lot. They're in a tennis club, so in Spain they play tennis.
Do they work? Do your parents still work?
No, they don't. They don't work at all now.
And you live in England, don't you? Where do you and your husband live?
We don't live in England. We have a house in Scotland.
And do your mother and father come to visit?
Oh, yes. My parents come to our house in summer.
And do they play tennis in Scotland?
No, we all play golf together. We love golf.
Oh, lovely. And do you all go out to restaurants?
No, not really. We eat at home. I love cooking, so we don't eat in restaurants.
Well, thank you very much. That's very interesting.
Unit 5, Exercise 11.
English, Spanish, German, Chinese, Arabic, Mexican, Japanese, Portuguese, Italian, American, Brazilian.
Unit 5, Exercise 15.
1. £10.99. 2. $4.50. 3. 40p. 4. £88. 5. £12.60. 6. €75. 7. £1.20. 8. $30.
Unit 5, Exercise 16.
1. Excuse me, how much is this French-English dictionary?
It's £15.75.
Thank you.
2. Hi, a cup of coffee, please.
To have here or take away?
To have here.
Small or large?
Small. How much is that?
£1.55.
Thanks. 3.
How much are those jeans?
The blue ones?
Yeah.
They're $45.
Okay.
4.
The Times, please.
90p.
Thanks.
5.
Can I help you?
Yes, a hamburger, please.
Anything to drink?
No, just a hamburger.
£2.50.
Thanks.
6.
A strawberry ice cream, please.
There you are, little girl.
How much is that?
80p.
7.
How much is this orange?
Just the one?
Yeah, just this orange.
50p.
8.
Can I have this CD, please?
Sure. That's $13.99, please.
Thank you very much.